All right, guys, just finished up a 2016 Chevy 2500 HD. Did a 4-inch Cognito. We did use the rear blocks on this one, Fox shocks. It's a 1-inch rear block, 35, 12, 50, 20 nitto mud graps. Of course, 20-inch factory wheels, 2-inch wheel spacers. Because of the wheel spacers, we did have to do a good bit of trimming on this one. We had to trim the front corner of the bumper, some inner plastic here, and then your rear plastic there. Still very close on the metal of the back of the fender, but it does clear doing a full sweep. This kit would need some sort of wheel spacers because the mud graps run so wide, but if we would have went with something smaller, we probably would not have had to trim as aggressively. Really nice lift on this one. All right, guys, that's it for now. Stay tuned for more.